Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Srila Prabhupada, if the knowledge was handed down by the saintly kings, even Bharat, how is it that the knowledge was lost? How is it that the knowledge was lost?
When it was not handed down, simply understood by speculation. Or if it is not handed down as it is, you might have made some changes. Or they did not hand down. Suppose I handed it down to you, but if you do not do that, then it is lost. Now the Krishna consciousness movement is going on in my presence. Now after my departure, if you do not do this, then it is lost. If you go on as you are doing now, then it will go on. But if you stop, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.